Hello guys, welcome to Programming Academy channel. Today we are going to create our full stack data analyze project financial dashboard. So first we create how to we cleaning our data and we already transform. So now in this tutorial we are going to create our background color or background for our dashboard, right? So before we are going to analyze our report, so we are going to use now our background color to how create a. Let's go to create it together. Very quickly and very simple to create this background. I'm going to show you. You are going to create it. So guys, this background. Come to home here, and then on the second insert here, we are going to insert this background color. We are going to change, and then we are going to use some kind of shape. Okay, so let's go to change to bring here shape. Okay, here you see here. We'll come to here to bring the direct angle. Okay, and then let's move until on down here. Now we are going to make it a little bit small, like this. Looking nice. Okay, before we go there, guys, you see here we have a rotation right here. Come to here, just to give 0 0.270. Look guys, now how it's changed. See, comment perfect, right? Good. Like this. On the top, I want to make a little bit now. Okay, now it's look nice. Let's get to another, the same. So here we are going to give again a rotation. We're going to give 90. Okay, so simple. You are going to become a master in data analyze. Become a perfect data analyze. Let's come to here to click like this. Into general and effect. Yeah, let's to use border, and this one also same. Border. Yes. Look guys, how it's look. Okay. So now it's look perfect. Now we are going to change our background color, right? I'm going to show you there is one color hunt. So this color hunt. So in this the multiple colors here you can using in your dashboard when you're using in your project and the project you're having. So you can go to using in this platform. So color, there are many colors. So we are going to get this one and then this color. Okay, we are going to just click like this, copy. Okay, come back here, background, then click here, just yes, see, then I'm going to get another one. Right click this one, come to style in here, we have a color. So this color same. Okay. So guys, like this, you create your first data analyze dashboard, your beautiful background. So it's so easy and so simple to create a beautiful background. So after this one, in our second tutorial or third tutorial, we are going to create our full uh, stack for reporting. So we are going to create some measures and then so on. And you are going to learn after this course, you are going to become a full stack data analyst. You are going to make a good decisions in your own, or you are going to, to build beautiful dashboards and then going to apply for job and then to find in the data analyze job wherever you want. So many companies, so many opportunities for data analyze. So there's a company they're acquiring. So you are going to find good job, and I'm really happy to hear to help you. So guys, being so on programming academic to follow and then to learning this beautiful things to learning and to get to enter in high tech companies. Okay, bye for now.